Here on the pack rat, looking at a thermos I got on eBay to complete my Johnny Lightning lunchbox. This is by Johnny Lightning Topper Toys. Pretty cool lunch box and thermos I ordered. Paid a little high amount of money for it, but I'm not going to tell you. Here's a flying needle, the Whistler, I believe, the bug bomb, sandstorm. This one I never heard of, dart. Yeah, the thermos I ordered on eBay recently today. I got it shipped here. I believe it's all complete with the plastic pieces. And this is the lunchbox I got in the past a while ago from ToyCarCollector.com, which I highly recommend. Okay, you can put the thermos in here. And it's complete. Thermos costs a lot of money, so, sort of. There we go. We have the complete Johnny Lightning lunchbox and thermos, which I bought on eBay. I hope you all enjoy watching my video. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.